If Mzansi Magic blocks you, why not join African Magic? And Ashley Ogle understood the assignment and ran with it. This week, Ashley Ogle was breathing down on our necks because she took over Nigeria and everyone is crazy about her. Welcome back. Do subscribe, like, and do comment in the comment section. I mean, from Mzansi Magic last year, when Ashley did not join the reunion, people were saying that Mzansi Magic has blocked her. And here's my thing. She said it herself that she's not blocked or blacklisted. She doesn't agree them on contractual grounds, meaning that she doesn't agree with the money they are willing to pay. And I stand a queen that knows her worth. Ashley Ogle knows her worth. This is not worth the money. It's not worth her hype, because one thing, Ashley Ogle will bring loyal fan base. Now going into Nigerian space, MVCA, which is one of the greatest platform in African continent. That room is full with influencers, actors, we have directors, we have brands, managers, everyone who's in the entertainment industry in Africa. And they gathered there, the big names, Unomza Mombata, they were also there, meaning that this gives Ashley an opportunity to network, to grow her brand beyond the borders of South Africa. And why was the theme like trying to explain what was happening with her clothing? The theme this year was your heart, where you come from. I think that's why we mostly saw red colors, and I loved some of the outfit there. But Ashley Ogle, I loved that dress. My only problem was we call it the borders on the breast, where you see that it was not holding it up very well, and she was not comfortable in it, but otherwise she looked like she was enjoying the night and the energy there. One thing about Nigerians, we can say many things here in South Africa, but one thing about the Nigerians, they have this pure energy, this pure happiness about them, and the level of jealousy is very low. Unlike in many events in South Africa, you see all these people, they are pretending actually they don't need you in the space, but it's okay. I love the other thing that she wear, a clothing that with a, I'll put it, a cow skin. That's most one thing we know about the skin in South Africa. The skin of an animal, it symbolizes royalty. It symbolizes where you come from. You don't just wake up and wear a skin of an animal in South Africa. When you wear that, it means it's an important occasion or you are an important person. In my culture, whenever someone is wearing a cow skin, it means that you're getting married or you're coming from initiation school or you're coming of age. Like there's a great ceremony, big ceremony for you. So I understand this is what she was telling us, that she is now a royalty. And that headpiece, I love it, guys. I enjoyed watching her actually, and wow, 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 wow. Now the question is, then what will happen to Ashley moving forward? Now has connected in Nigeria and made some connection in Nigeria. We're gonna see more of cross-border collaboration, because one thing about Ashley, she will score a deal. It's obvious something is coming from this visit in Nigeria. And also, one thing I love about Nigeria is that many Nigerians, due to immigration, they are all over the world, meaning that this is a chance for Ashley Ogle to introduce herself to the worldwide. America, UK, and other countries in the world, because of Nigerians are everywhere in the world. And she did have fans in Nigeria, but now because she is in the country, it gives her a greater chance to connect with them on that level, understanding people on their own level. And I'm happy for her anyways, and I'll see what she will be doing next. And what she is doing currently is that she is on the cover of Vatswadi magazine. We all know that Ashley gave birth maybe this year or earlier in December, late in December, but gave birth to a beautiful baby boy, Ukwenzo, and now they are on the cover of Vatswadi magazine. When I'm saying that Ashley is working, I even feel guilty because I'm also a mother, but I'm not even doing 1% of the things she does. But she's working. She was working when she was pregnant. She's working postpartum. Bruh, 3 weeks, 3 months postpartum, I could not do anything. But Ashley is doing a lot, and I'm happy. I want to get that for myself. I think when I go to town, I have to grab it, and I'll share the details, what she's saying in that, and how is the motherhood. Because let me tell you something, nobody can never prepare you for those sleepless nights during the first 3 months of the, yeah, cute little lies. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.